Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to reconstruct a image from a sketch that I found online. It has nothing to do with anything. I just want to recreate this image. I really like whoever made this sketch did a really good job. It looks really good. So let's upload the image, and it's called sketch. We're gonna make it big because of course we're gonna trace it and capture the image with the frame and freeze the shape so that way it doesn't move at the moment we are tracing. However, I forgot one detail. Let me unfreeze it again, select the image and add some opacity to make it more transparent, and then freeze again so that way we're able to see the dots when we are tracing. So now let's begin. We're gonna turn on Bezier shape, and we're gonna start with the first letter, which is the letter H. And this tool, it's very simple. You just connect the dots. That's how you trace. At the end, we can click on this shape, double click on it, and you will find more knots to curve the image, the shape. So we're gonna do a knot here and one here and another one here and another one here. Now we're gonna stop this here and we're gonna double click on it and we're gonna start curving the shape. We're gonna leave it red for now, so the color doesn't matter right now because I'm planning to add like a metallic background. I'll show you in the end. Now let's unfreeze and freeze again so that way the H doesn't move when we touch it. So that way we are able to trace the other one. So let's begin again. Now we're gonna do the second letter, which is the letter E. And again, whoever made this sketch did a really good job. I really like it. That's why I choose this image randomly, because it is a nice what they call this monogram. I don't know, to be honest, what they call this type of designs. There's a name for it for sure. It's a really nice one. And we're gonna do one here. By the way guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like, subscribe. Also, let me inform you that if you are interested on using this program, it is not a software but it is a program where you if you watch my channel, I had shown many videos how I make logos with this program, or how I reconstruct other designs with this very same program. So watch the videos on my channel. So stop this here. Now we're gonna double click again and curve the upper section because that is a curved image, and we're gonna zoom in with the mouse because I noticed some things here that need to be fixed. They're not completely straight. Okay, so I think bring this knot down here more. There we go. Now we have something, and now we can zoom back into the original zoom or shape. Now we can click on this and double click and click away, unfreeze, and we're gonna do the same with this first one. I think it's in the back. Okay, no problem. So we're gonna keep tracing and I'll show you in the end. Okay, so I traced most of it, but I don't know if you can see the letter A, I still got a trim from the inside, and the letter D. So we're gonna trim the Bezier shape. We're gonna start with the letter A. We're gonna trace another rectangle or the shape that it's inside to make the letter A. And we're gonna make another one here and stop Bezier and then trim. Now we can remove this section. Oop, you know what? I think I might have done this wrong. Let me do it again. So let's do one dot here, another one here, And the thing that I did wrong was I did not add any color to my shape, so it's not really going to do you know what, I'm gonna add a black color. So I'm gonna zoom in, make sure that I indeed make the right shape, and now we can zoom back to the original, and we're gonna click trim shape again. Hopefully this time we did it right, and yes, we did it right. Now we can get rid of this one, and now we're gonna do the same with the letter D. We're gonna start with a knot here, another one here, and then we're gonna do like a curve, double clicking it, and that's gonna add the color that we will need. And we can do trim shape, and now we have the entire sketch done. So now we can finally get rid of this image. Just go to click on the we gotta unfreeze everything, click on the image and get rid of it. There we go. Now we can download this. We don't have to worry about these dotted lines here. Let's download, and I'm gonna refresh, and now I'm gonna show you something cool. I'm going to go to special tools and go to shape trim tool, upload a background. We're gonna use the gold. I really like this color. And then the file design frame, the one that we just traced from a sketch, and turn it into a high quality image now. So take a shot, and not only we have a high quality PNG, but we now have a one with the effect of a gold background. Let me turn on the black frame, and there it is. Very nice. So yeah, guys, this is how simple it is to trace images using design frame. Let me know in the comments what you think. You can do other things with this program. You can also add distress, do other things. Let's say you want to turn this different color, white, and you want to add some distress. You can add distress to your image, some cracking distress. But this works for certain type of designs, not all of them. So yeah, stay tuned for more tutorials. I will see you guys again on the next episode. Thank you.